Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I want to show you my office and how I have recently changed it. I added a lot of pink items. This right here is actually a shoe rack, but I'm using it as a shelf for my Bible journaling supplies. These are some of my Bibles. That hasn't changed much, but I did add a little shelf right there. I also painted my bookshelf. It was like a natural brown, like dark wood, and I painted it like a soft pink. Right here you can see, and I absolutely love it. My husband actually picked out this paint for me, and I'm in love with it. Here's my little Jesus. That's a Polly Pocket. It's the Office Polly Pocket. And there's a candle. Those are my actual eyeglasses. I also painted these items right here, the little shelves and the little candle holders and everything. I painted them with the same chalk paint. These are some of my Bible studies. Just a candle, this toy car my son gave to me 2 Christmases ago, and pray big, worry small. So I recorded this while I was on my lunch break, and so that's why my computer was on, and of course I had to block that out. But I just wanted to show you guys what my keyboard and mouse pad and all that sort of stuff looks like. I don't think I've ever shown you guys what my office fully looked like before, but I'm just really excited about everything, and I absolutely love all the pink. If you've enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. If you haven't already, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button, and have a great day, guys. Love you, bye.